Kristie, great to see you. Tell us what the status is and the importance of this for China.
Yeah, well, first off, we are awaiting a press conference by China's State Council Information Office that will give us a progress report on China's race to develop vaccines, a progress report, timeline, as well as addressing concerns over distribution and safety. But ahead of that, on Thursday, Sinovac, this Chinese pharmaceutical company, announced that its coronavirus vaccine would be ready for the world by early 2021. Now, this vaccine has yet to pass stage 3 or phase 3 clinical trials, but it's already been injected into thousands of people in China under an emergency use provision. The CEO of Sinovac himself has also already been injected by this experimental vaccine. In fact, he addressed that to reporters on Thursday. Listen to what he said about China's experimental use of vaccines.
We saw that the World Health Organization raised emergency use of vaccines, but actually different countries have different attitudes towards emergency use. So I don't know if other countries can follow China's emergency use experience. If there are other countries doing emergency use of a vaccine, then we are willing to work with them and share the data and emergency use plan that we have already completed in China, and we invite them to study it. So I think different countries have their own options for approval of emergency use of the vaccine.
Now, the CEO of Sinovac there speaking to reporters on Thursday. Now, the CEO also said that he pledged to seek approval in the United States with the Food and Drug Administration if and once his coronavirus vaccine passes human trials. Historically, due to strict rules in places like the U.S., EU, Japan, Australia, and elsewhere, Chinese vaccines have been blocked from sale in those markets. But the CEO of Sinovac says that that could change. As China pushes ahead in this race to develop a COVID-19 vaccine, China is also continuing to control the number of coronavirus cases in the country. Earlier today, we heard from its health ministry, reported only 8 new cases of COVID-19, all coming from overseas, 0 new local cases of the virus, making it the 40th consecutive day of 0 local transmissions in the PRC. Michael.